Hi guys, I'm Barbie Angel and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm versus Ipsy review, unboxing type of thing. If you're into beauty, skincare, makeup, anything like that, stay tuned to find out more about these. So I love makeup, I love beauty products, I love receiving beauty products. So I subscribe to a bunch of these like makeup beauty boxes or subscription plans. I've been subscribed to them for the longest. The two that I am currently sticking with, Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So if you guys aren't familiar with BoxyCharm or Ipsy, they are both subscription type beauty boxes that you receive each month. What you do is you go on these websites and you take like a little quiz. It'll ask you about your skin color, your skin tone, the kind of products you like as far as makeup brands or what kind of makeup products you like to receive, your skin concerns, all of those type of beauty related type things. So you take the quiz and they kind of make these like personalized boxes, or with Ipsy it's a bag, it's called the Glam Bag, based around beauty products as far as skincare, makeup, beauty tools, hair care. I am going to just kind of go through both and tell you guys what I think about them, what I received this month. They're not like overly pricey, so I just like receiving them and I can try new products out and see if I, products I might not know about and things of that nature. And I feel like it stops me from really going out and buying like a lot of makeup. Bruh. Actually, no, it doesn't. I still buy a lot of makeup. I'm not even going front. I buy a lot of unnecessary things. I'm not even going to hold you, like, I really do. But it saves me from like going out and buying like crazy amount of stuff, because for the most part I'll usually have something from these for like months that I can like still use, that are still good to use. So yeah, I like receiving these things. So I'm just gonna go through Ipsy first. So this is what the Ipsy packaging looks like. So it comes in this packaging. I do have the Ipsy, I think it's just called like the base version of the Ipsy. So it's the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I think it's just the basic or the base version. So this is the bag, the packaging that it comes in. So with Ipsy, like I said, they're called glam bags. So they always come in like these cute little bags each month, and they have a theme that they're kind of going with. So the theme usually matches the bag, and then the items that are in the bag go with that theme as well. I'm just gonna kind of like go through and pick out items. And with Ipsy, they are $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe size samples is what they call them every month. The first item fell out of the actual packaging, so it's a makeup brush. The brand for the makeup brush, I think, is Miss Glam, and it's a blender brush. So this is what that looks like. You guys can see that. I feel like with Ipsy, I received either this brush or a variation of this brush or the same company. I have a lot of brushes that look like this from Ipsy. For beginners, these are probably like good subscription type of things to get if you can afford it, just because sometimes you don't want to go and just buy a whole bunch of things. You can just $12, you try these out, you see if you like it or not, and then you can go purchase it on your own. So the theme for this month is Get That Glow. So it always comes with like a little card that just kind of tells you what the theme is. And they have like these new like add-ons that you can add on if you want to like add additional products to your bag, and I think you just pay like a small fee for those as well. Usually they'll tell you like what's in the bag in these cards, but it doesn't look like they do that with this month, or they might not do that anymore. I honestly don't even think I look at these things anymore. So this just kind of tells you everything you need to get the glow. So it goes into like highlighter, powder, liquids, and creams. So I don't know if that means like those are the kind of products that are in this bag, but that is what the card looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that and my light isn't too bright. So I'm just going to go through and just kind of pick out items. So the first item we have here is a lip gloss. And like I said, they're sample size products. They call them deluxe sample size products. I don't really know what that means, but this is what it looks like. Bring it up close for you. And this is the Tarte H2O Gloss in the color Sail Away. Just looking at it, I actually love this color. I love like pinkish mauves, like pinky nudes type of things. So let's just see what this looks like. So this is what the applicator looks like. And I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh, I actually love this color. I actually would definitely use this and probably would buy this. This is the swatch. I actually love this. Like a lot. I love this color. I love things like this. Like it looks like it's just like a light gloss with like a little bit of pigment to it. So I would definitely purchase this, and I think this color is bomb. So yeah, that's a good one. So the next product we have is Yensa Color Plus Face Skin on Skin BC Concealer, full coverage, and it's a BB plus CC full coverage concealer. I don't know what that means. I guess like I don't know what that means. Yeah, it's in the color Deep Warm. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna do like a little swatch of this as well. The color, I'll show you guys in a second. The color actually isn't bad. Hope you can see it. It's right there. The color isn't bad actually. I would use this as like a under eye concealer type of situation. So that actually looks really good. Yeah, I definitely will try this for under eye when I'm doing my makeup. The next product we have in the Ipsy bag is I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask by Tony Moly, I guess it's called, or Tony Moly. And this is what that product looks like. I probably will not use this on my hair. The thing with Ipsy too is like they send you these like hair care products. I never really use them, I should say. I wonder what it smells like though. They do actually like your hair type and things, I believe so. I don't really smell anything. Don't really smell anything, but yeah, that's in this bag as well. So the next product we have, or the last product I should say, is a lip balm from the brand Lasting Smiles. A smile for a cause. It supports global water projects. And the flavor is Peach Blossom, and it's an organic lip balm. So this is what this looks like. So that's what that looks like, and I'm just going to smell it. It smells good. I probably would honestly give this to my daughter because I don't really like use like lip balms like these. I actually am like allergic to some things, so I usually use like Vaseline on my lips before I do any kind of lip product on my lips, so I don't really use lip balms. So those are all the products I received in my Ipsy bag for this month. What do I think about the products? I feel like the biggest thing out of this that I love is the lip gloss. I definitely will use this. I have a lot of like Ipsy lip glosses that I love that I've actually purchased because of getting them through Ipsy. So they be spot on with the lip glosses. I ain't even gonna hold you. I love that, so I definitely will be using that. The brush, I get brushes all the time and I use them. I mean, they're brushes, they're makeup brushes. I don't really feel like you need like a specific type of makeup brush all the time. So yeah, I probably would use that too. It wouldn't be something I would grab automatically all the time because I have like my set makeup brushes, but it's a makeup brush nonetheless. But yeah, and another thing I did with a lot, especially with Ipsy, I know one time my cousin, maybe when she was like 17 years old and she's like into makeup or just starting to get into makeup, I put a lot of these like products that I received from Ipsy in her, and I made her this big bin and I kind of gave it to her for her birthday. So that's another thing with these like little Ipsy things, these little sample things I should say. You can like give them away to family and friends, birthdays, holidays, things like that. So that's kind of what I use it for sometimes when I don't like the products, instead of just having it go to waste. But yeah, this is $12 a month, and this is the basic Ipsy, and that is what I received for this month. So now we are going to go into BoxyCharm, and honestly, I love BoxyCharm. I am signed up for their basic and their, I think it is their Luxe. Yeah, I think it's the Boxy Basic and the BoxyCharm Luxe box. So with the Luxe box, you get that one I think it's every 3 months or like every season or something like that. And that one has like, I forget how many products, but it has a lot more products than the basic one, and they're full-size products. So with BoxyCharm, you get full-size products, which is why I love BoxyCharm. Like, and they're like name brand things that you know of products, you know what I'm saying? So I love BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is $25 a month for the basic, and then I believe for the Luxe is an additional $25, so it's $50 a month when you get the Luxe box. And I think they have another tier which is like platinum maybe? Something like that. Not sure, but you guys can check that out. But this is what the BoxyCharm box looks like. And you get this big old box, and there's a bunch of products in here, and like I said, they are full size, and I believe it's 5 products as well. $25 a month, I'll repeat that again, and you get $125 value, I believe is what it is. So with the Ipsy bag, it's a $50 value of the products that you receive, and with the BoxyCharm, it is a $125 value. Now, I'm going to say this before I go into the BoxyCharm box. I don't know if the Ipsy bag is really $50 products, like a $50 value, because you're getting like those little samples, so that's not really a $50 value, I think. Maybe they know what they're talking about. I don't know. But with the BoxyCharm, I know you're definitely getting that value because I know they give you like a card that tells you everything that's in your box and the cost, and then it's full size products, so that's a win-win. But yeah, so with the BoxyCharm, you get a little card as well. And like I said, it tells you on the back what the products are. So I'm just kind of go through and I'll tell you what the products are that I received, and I'll give you the pricing of each. So I'm just gonna pull, ooh, looks nice. I don't know what this is. So the first item is from Tarte, and that is what it looks like. So I don't know what this is, but it looks amazing. So this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Ooh, sounds nice. And the retail price for this one is $18. So, nice. So, Tarte has a micellar water that you kind of remove makeup with. And I hope I'm saying that right. I feel like I never say that word right. Micellar. So, yeah, that's bomb, actually. That's bomb. All right, so the next product I am going to pull out is from Glam Glow. So it is one of their masks, and I hope it is showing. So this is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Sounds nice. And let's just see what this says about it. So it is a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin biome. And it retails at $49. So, and I love Glam Glow mask product that I'm like into skincare so much right now. So I am like testing out a bunch of skincare and seeing what I like and trying to fix my hyperpigmentation. So I love getting like skincare products that I can like add to my regimen. So love, I will definitely be using that. The next product I received is looks like some kind of lip product. It might be like a lippy or maybe eyeliner, probably. Yep. So it's a liquid eyeliner, matte. So it's matter than matte liquid eyeliner, and the color is punk. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek. And it's from the brand Haus Laboratories. I don't think I've ever heard of them. Oh, and I love the tip. So that's what the tips look like. So this is for like wing liners and things like that. I would definitely be using this. So this one is laid down the line with a swig of our long-wearing liquid eyeliner. The super fine, flexible tip guides your line without tugging or flicking for subtle to bold precision that won't skip a beat. And this retails at $20. Nice. I'll definitely be using that. And the next product we received is a liquid lipstick from the brand Appeal. So it's an Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. And the color looks pretty. You guys can see that. Color looks really, really pretty. I'm just going to open it just to do a swatch of it. Alright, so here's what the applicator looks like. And the color is kind of like a peachy pink, I would say. Or like a coral, maybe. I want to say a peachy, pinkish type of coral color. I'm hoping it picks up. On camera, I feel like it looks nude. And this is it right here. I definitely will try it and see what I think of it. But I feel like I'm going to like it. With some liner and you get to go. And the last product that we're going to go over is a concealer crayon, it looks like. And this is what it looks like. And it is in the color Toffee. It's from the brand Tristique, I think it's called, or that's how you pronounce it. And this is what it looks like. I don't think I've ever used a concealer crayon per se. So I'm just gonna swatch that as well. This one looks a little bright, so I probably won't use that. The color's pretty, but it's too bright for me. And that is it right down here. So this, I would probably give to like my mom or something because my mom is lighter than me. But yeah, that's what this looks like. And so yeah, just to go back over the prices. So all the items I received in my BoxyCharm, the retail prices are $49, $20, $24, $21, and $18. I'll probably do just like a pricing of the Ipsy products as well, and just kind of, I'll look it up and just put a side by side just to see what the prices actually come up to. Now, what do I think about each of these boxes? Like I said, I love BoxyCharm. I feel like BoxyCharm is definitely worth the money. It's $25 and you get the 5 full-size products, and like I said, they're from name brands. I love BoxyCharm. The quality is always amazing. Like I'll get, you know, I have a bunch of makeup palettes like eyeshadow palettes that I get from BoxyCharm. I've gotten concealer palettes. The skincare products are always really good. They're from like high-end brands, like real, you know, pop-in skincare stuff. So I love BoxyCharm. For Ipsy, it's like hit or miss. Like I'm not always like, oh my god, I love this product. Like I love that lip gloss. I'm definitely gonna try it and I feel like I'm gonna love it. But that's one product and it's like a little tiny thing. So that's $12 a month that you might not want to spend for, you know, these little tiny baby samples. That is how I feel about BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Will I continue to be subscribed to BoxyCharm? 1000%. Like I said, I have 2 other subscription plans. For Ipsy, I've been kind of on the fence the last couple of months trying to decide if I want to stick with them or not. I was previously with the Sephora subscription plan, but they gave out like little sample sizes too, and I really wasn't feeling that. If you're into beauty, skincare, and you like testing out new products and getting new products in the mail, you might want to check both of these out. Like I said, Ipsy does have different tiers, and that's their basic one. I'm thinking about maybe I'll subscribe to like their second tier and see if I like that more before, you know, discontinuing my subscription. Yeah, they're $12 for a month for Ipsy, $25 a month for BoxyCharm. You can stop anytime, any month. If you want to pause it, if you want to cancel, you can do that. I definitely, when we were purchasing our home and I was like, you know what, I need to save money and stop spending all this unnecessary money, I stopped both of my subscription plans, you know, month to month, and it was like no big deal, no issues. Just go on the website and just put pause or cancel for the month. And that's pretty much how that works. Is really simple. Those are the products I got. That's how I feel about BoxyCharm and Ipsy. If you like seeing these kind of videos, make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you love beauty, if you love skincare. With skincare, like I said, I am on a journey for skincare. Like, if you know any great products, you can leave that in the comments below. And stay tuned for more videos coming out about all things beauty, where I am trying to get this skin together. So if there's a makeup subscription plan that you subscribe to, or any kind of beauty products you subscribe to that you feel like I should check out, if there's anything you're interested in that you want me to check out for you and leave a review, you can do that as well. Look, I like spending money while I'm on quarantine. That's an issue that I'm working on, so if there's anything you want me to check out, just leave it in the comments below and I will definitely check it out for you and let you know how I feel about it before you go spend your coins. I'll spend mine for you. And please subscribe to my channel. Join the fam. The support means so much to me when you guys subscribe and leave comments and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.